Conversational AI, changing the future of NFTs, Web3, and the Metaverse. Businesses and entrepreneurs across the world are under pressure to figure out how to attract consumers' attention in the face of fierce competition. Compounded by the Metaverse explosion and the NFT rise in popularity, there has been a significant increase in new startups, crowding almost every market niche. Your greatest achievement as a business or entrepreneur is understanding how to enchant consumers to convert their attention. So here are some insights into conversational AI and ideas on how to leverage this. The field of conversational AI is rapidly evolving. It is being incorporated into an increasing number of products and services in which brands, services, and government agencies are utilizing new technologies to reach out to consumers. We are living in the epoch of conversational AI. A future in which we can talk about a personalized newsfeed and have an avatar respond to our questions and comments. A future in which we can converse with an NFT in real time and receive answers to countless stimulating questions. Conversational AI is a type of artificial intelligence that models natural human speech and can be used to enhance the user experience, for example, by making people feel more comfortable in the virtual world. Conversational AI is one of the most important ways to open up the metaverse to people from all walks of life. Conversational AI is the future of human-computer interaction. The metaverse is a virtual world of symbolic representations, but it is still a realistic 3D-generated computer world, and computers excel at handling massive amounts of data. VR, AR, and MR content are all integrated into the metaverse. We can't expect everyone in the metaverse to understand or care about the importance of conversational AI. But if we assume that everyone has basic needs for interaction that feels real, we can begin to design for it. A synthetic voice in VR that adapts to the user's humanly speaking voice pattern and adjusts to accents and intonations in voice recognition is essential in the metaverse. It also allows metaverse-connected wearable devices to detect when users are speaking or listening and then issue commands such as "Hey Metaverse" to initiate voice commands. Businesses can also create conversational AI experiences between humans and digital avatars, or sensory-aware environments within virtual worlds that respond to voice commands to boost product adoption, pre-sales performance, and influence go-to-market strategies in order to win almost any customer. Avatars, sensory-aware environments, and virtual worlds in the metaverse can be given a unique voice or our own cloned voice by using synthetic speech and AI responding in real time. Avatars must be convincing in real time to scale and encourage wider adoption, which means the AI must adapt to the tone, expression, and even localization of the person speaking to it. It must be able to adapt to the stimulus of a conversation and respond in the most likely way to convey a specific message. Use cases. 1. Cross-channel marketing. At its finest, help customers to transition seamlessly from Web3 to mobile to metaverse to create an immersive conversational experience. Entire social media platforms, businesses, and games will exist within the metaverse and will be available in real time. To be this incredible, the metaverse must be extremely realistic and immersive. Conversational AI is the simplest way to accomplish this. For example, a chatbot on a website or on your smartphone can seamlessly integrate and interact with metaverse using conversational AI, creating the most realistic virtual communication experiences. That same chatbot can clone, synthesize, and transfer your voice to other metaverse users, allowing you to virtually meet and communicate in real time through any avatar or digital persona. These conversations could take a number of forms, but could easily incorporate interactive elements such as text, graphics, sound, and video. This technology is likely to allow us to carry on complex conversations with virtual characters in a very natural way. 2. Conversational agents based on personalization and diversity that literally reflects your brand voice. Conversational AI allows people to converse with the metaverse as if it were a person. That is, conversational AI can exist anywhere, at any time, and as any character. So you can converse with an in-game avatar, a virtual storefront assistant bot, and then a digital human news anchor, and they will all sound different or speak in different languages. Conversational AI in the metaverse will never forget anything you say, making it feel like you're having a real conversation with people. It is constantly listening and remembering. 3. Scalable navigation for your virtual world or virtual business environment. Conversational AI is going to be the future of just about every virtual reality experience. To illustrate the value of this, let's look at what happens in a typical VR setup. Right now, users have to use a VR controller, a mouse, and a keyboard to move around in their virtual worlds. This is a very unnatural process, and it's very difficult to get users to do it for any length of time. Users can't think about the virtual reality experience the same way that they think about the real world, because their brains aren't wired to send signals to a complex controller or a keyboard. As a result, virtual reality experiences can be very shallow. The experience stops being immersive the moment you have to stop looking around and start looking at a screen. By comparison, it's a very different story when users navigate with natural conversation. When users navigate by speaking, their brains stay immersed in the virtual world. They don't have to stop using their imaginations to look at a screen, so it's much easier to create a truly immersive experience. 4. From ordinary NFTs to extraordinary INFTs. An INFT is an intelligence-enabled NFT where the code of the NFTs is programmed with a GPT-3 prompt that operates intelligently as part of a smart contract on the blockchain. An INFT can be used for interactive and animation purposes. Applications of INFT include both digital fashion, clothes, shoes, and accessories, and works of art. Here are 2 examples of conversational AI strategies for NFT artwork that could be applied. First, conversational AI can be used to improve the artwork's authenticity. For example, if the artwork of a mysterious celebrity sketch is sold on OpenSea, an interested buyer can simply DM and ask the INFTs, intelligent non-fungible tokens, questions about the piece itself that the celebrity artist would only know. Second, we need to model the relationship between each token and its owner in order to make purchased non-fungible tokens more interactive. If a user owns an INFT, that user should be able to interact with it by incorporating it with personality and providing it with a voice through which it can communicate. This is where conversational AI comes into play. We can model the relationship between each INFTs and its owner using conversational AI. This can be accomplished by collecting data from owners or its creators through surveys, questionnaires, and other means. The data can then be programmed into the conversational AI, which could then power the INFTs. Key takeaway: as the technology behind conversational AI is continuously being improved, it can only be a matter of time before it is perfected and used to greatly improve the metaverse experience. When this happens, it will be a big step forward in making the metaverse a much more interesting, entertaining, and exciting place to be. Meanwhile, we must continue to work on making all of our metaverse experiences more immersive and realistic, so that when conversational AI is widely adopted and integrated, we will be able to use it to create a truly compelling metaverse experience. We don't want to make the same mistakes with conversational AI when it was in its infancy that we did with websites. We can simply close the tab or window if a website does not load or is confusing. With the metaverse, we don't have that luxury. We can't just walk away if someone is having a bad conversation with us. If the AI is constantly saying something irrelevant, we may require a method to reduce the AI's participation in the conversation. If we have to spend time digging ourselves out of meaningless conversations, we lose time that we could be spending having fun in the metaverse. Having a way to silence AI is also essential. The metaverse is the pinnacle of virtual reality. Now is the time to realize its full potential with conversational AI.